Здравствуйте, меня зовут Джамиля Салимгиреева, мне 17 лет, я учусь в Центре образования номер 1694 города Москвы в 11 классе.
Hi, my name is Jamilia Salimgireeva. I'm 17 years old and I study in school number 6994, Moscow, in the 11th Form A. Preparing for this competition, I asked myself, is reading really so important for us? Is it just an entertainment or necessity for everybody? I believe that people who consider themselves well educated must be well read. Our life is extremely short and we can't take knowledge of life only from our own experience. Reading books, we can transform into different people and get their wisdom. This summer I read a lot of books because I liked reading, and 3 of them were in English. These books are The Mistress of Spices by Chitra Banerjee Divakaruni, The Creative Impulse and Other Stories by Somerset Maugham, and the book I liked most of all, Of Mice and Men by John Steinbeck. This book carries us from the workdays of modern city to the beginning of the 20th century. The novel's title comes from a poem called To a Mouse by the Scottish poet Robert Burns. John Steinbeck said the book was based on his own experience, and as we know, he was born in Salinas Valley, California. Of Mice and Men is a novel set on a ranch during the Great Depression of the 1930s in the USA. The main characters are George and Lenny, 2 migrant agricultural workers who share a dream of owning their own farm someday. George is a typical worker, he is careful, and Lenny is a very strong fellow but not intelligent. He speaks with a child's vocabulary. To the people on the ranch, George and Lenny's partnership is very unusual. It is clear that most of the workers on the ranch are lonely. They are poor and live without comfort, and they don't have a chance of marriage and family life and no place of their own. Truly to say, the theme of loneliness always appears in Steinbeck's works. And I think that it is not just a coincidence that the author chooses the farm not far from the town called Soledad, that means loneliness in Spanish. So the themes of the book are unrealizable dreams, friendship and loneliness. It is a heartbreaking and touching story, and from the very beginning it was clear that the book wouldn't end well. It's one of those books that you can't put down once you begin to read because of the atmosphere that the author creates through the characters, the settings and the dialogues. The author John Steinbeck describes his book as a kind of a playable novel. So if I were a film director, I would like to make a film based on this book because it is full of characters with different tempers, and it gives us an opportunity to get their knowledge of life. And for sure this book is worth reading. Thank you. Bye.